my channel. And today in this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making something that I've never actually made before. I'm going to be making a little penny pot or coin pot, I guess. So it's just going to be, actually I'll just show you here. So I found this blank in the shed. It's a wild mango blank. I chose this because like the colour's really, really nice. And I just thought this would be a cool project to make. So I guess you can call it either a penny pot or a coin pot, or maybe a small coin bowl. Maybe I'm not too sure what I'm going to call it yet. But it's just going to be, I'm going to put this on the lathe and like shape it into a shape it into a little pot or a little tiny little bowl which you can store coins in. And thank you so much to everyone that has come over to my channel recently. I really appreciate it. So I really hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so I've just finished shaping the blank, and now I'm going to just put a 10 in the bottom here so I can flip it around later and then cut out the inside. Now that I've sanded this all down, I've sanded it to 240 grit, and now what I'm going to do is flip it around and then cut out the inside. Okay, so I've just hollowed this out now. It looks very nice. Now what I'm just going to do is sand it. And then I'm going to apply some sanding sealer, some Yorkshire grit, and this. Okay, so I've just sanded this now and it feels very, very smooth. And now what I'm going to do is apply some sanding sealer. Basically have no Yorkshire grit left. We're going to need some more soon. So here we go. Look at the shine in this. I really like this shallow wax. It really brings out the shine and stuff. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is take it off the lathe and put my emblem on it. Okay guys, so here we go. It is now finished. As you can see, the shine in this is really nice. So I'm really pleased with this. So I just found this. I was looking through all the blanks I had, and I saw this. I was trying to look for a bright blank, so like a lighter color blank. And so I found this. It's called Wild. It's called Wild Mango. Okay, so what I actually did is I actually have made 2 of these. I made another one with a little darker shade of wood. I unfortunately can't remember what it's called, but I will leave a picture up at the end of the second one I made. But so I just got a blank out of these sheds and I put it on the lathe and I just like used the tools and see what I could make. And when I made this little thing here that kept the circular shape, but it's obviously a bit smaller. A penny pot came to my mind, so I just thought I'd make a penny pot for you guys. And since I've made 2 of these, both of these are going to be on my dad's website. So as you can see, I've also put my emblem in here, my Charlie the Maker emblem. So I really hope you guys did enjoy this video here today. And if you did enjoy this project, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a like on this video. That would tell me that you guys really enjoy this project and my other videos. And also, another thing that would really help me out is if you share this video with your friends. I'd really appreciate that. And also, guys, don't forget, Make Essential is back on next year, 2020. I will be there, so if you want to come and see me, then come along. And also, I reckon this could hold a decent amount of coins. You could call it a coin pot or coin bowl or penny bowl, whatever you want to call it. This could actually hold quite a lot, because obviously coins are really small, so this could hold quite a lot. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time with another video of Charlie the Maker.